Okay, we're gonna introduce Zaz to Lolo and Rainy. I don't think this is gonna go too well, but I figured I would show you guys. But Lolo and Rainy are not too keen on new things. So here we go. Rainy. Rainy, say hi. Rainy, easy. Rainy, say hi. Rainy, easy. Easy, yes, easy. Good boy. Not girl, good boy. Good boy. No, not girl, good boy. Easy, Rainy, good job. Easy. Easy. Good boy. Good job. All right, Lolo. Lolo, here. Lolo. Good girl. Good girl, Lolo. You say hi? Not what the? Say, my name's Lolo. Can you say hi, Zaz? Tell Zaz hello. Yeah, good girl. Easy. Easy. You give Zaz a kiss? Good job. Don't act. Easy. Easy. It's okay, Zaz. It's okay. Good boy. Good girl. All right, Rain. Rainy. Easy. Rainy. Easy. No, you're not going to be ugly. Stop it. Rainy. Why are you being so ugly? Rainy, why are you being so ugly? Why are you being so ugly? You're being ugly. Quit being a bad boy.
Drop bomb.
Well, he don't know how to drop the bomb yet. Good girl, Lolo. Easy. I'm not putting him too close. Easy. Okay.